Okay.
Recording in progress.
You give me all the coins that you want us to go through, the coins that you want us to analyze. You will do the market focus, right? We'll do the top-down analysis on those coins, right? We're trying to predict their future or to foretell their future, right? So that you can eliminate fear or eliminate FOMO in the market, right? You know that, okay, when we're taking this entry, we know that we've confirmed what the long-term buyers versus the short-term buyers. And now we know that, okay, when you take this trade based on this direction, then that is only when we can maybe we can make a lot of profit, or we know that, okay, we're trading against the trend, then we want to close our trade as early as possible. Okay. Okay, so she's is it what? Who is she? It's Zonke. She said Vara, please. Okay, then let's check what is happening on Vara. Okay, so those in the mentorship, guys, I know I owe you a video on entries, right? Now, I had a challenge yesterday, electricity, right? And it is back right now. So what I'll do is I'll make this video and I'll send it to the group, only to the group, so that you can go through it. But entries, right? When preparing for it, I realized that entries can be it can be a topic on itself. So we maybe this week or next week we'll be talking about entries. But because I see the urgency, right? How I see people that you want to know the entry part. Some they want to trade. Some they've lost confidence in the market because they feel like what they're doing is not the right thing. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll try that maybe today, but not maybe today. I'll make the video right before 10. I will have sent the video. Okay, so I know that I owe you this video, and it will be very helpful to all the traders out there in the mentorship, right? So let's see, guys. I want to remove everything here. Okay, so this is it, guys. Right. So this is Veracity, isn't it? This is Veracity on the 30 time frame. Okay. So what you can see about this coin is that we've been trending down, isn't it? We've been trending down. So we've been in a downtrend for so long, right? If when I can draw a trend line, right? When I can draw a trend line, you can see that we've been trending down, although it won't be that much specific, right? I just want to show you, right? So you can see that by drawing this, you can see that the market has been it has been trending down. Okay. So by understanding that in the market, or by seeing that in the market, right? You know, okay, there are two things that we're looking for, right? When we take our buys around this area, if you find those entries maybe on the 4-hour time frame, right? We know that in this trend and around here, we might reject and continue going down, right? So we are aware that now we are trending down, right? We are in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend. So what I'll do is I'll mark this this demand zone here. Okay, I'll mark this demand zone. I don't know what is happening. So delete this. Okay, so this is what we're looking for, right? This is what we're looking for, and also, right? And also, yes, we have this demand zone. But what if this coin doesn't come into this demand zone, right? We have this key level here, right? Isn't it? We have this key level here, right? We want this coin to what? We want this coin to either break and hold above the key level, then we take our buys, or to just come back and reject around this level. We take our short entries. So long term, this is what we're looking for. We want to see how this coin responds toward these areas, how this coin reacts toward these areas. Then we take our entries based on that, isn't it? So you can even draw this as your major resistance, right, or whatever you can call it, right? You can draw this area as your major resistance, right? You can see how this coin it fails to break and hold above the structure around here. So you can want this coin to when you take those buys or on that level, right? So you'll have this area as your target profit. because the probabilities are we might come back and reject around this area again, go back down, retest, then shoot up, right? So for short term or for swing trading, you can just target that area. When you see it rejecting, just take profit because you know that okay, you'll take a re-entry around this area when this coin continues it continues going up, going up, going up, going up, right? So that is what we are looking for, isn't it? Okay, so let me go into the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame, guys. It's the same thing, right? When I can zoom in, you can see that we are that we are trending down, that we are trending down, we're trending down. So if you want to take I can say a short-term entry or a mid-term entry, isn't it? If you want to take that mid-term entry, right? So your target is what? Your point of interest is what? Is this key level, right? This blue key level around this area. So this is our point of interest, right? We know that if this coin breaks and hold above the structure, then we're more likely to come back to this key level. So we target this key level is our take profit, right? But if we continue rejecting around this area, we can look for short entries that will take us to this demand zone around this area. Okay, so that is what you are looking for, short term, isn't it? You can even draw a trend line here. Okay, you can even draw this trend line. That will act as a confirmation that we just broke we broke a key level and a trend line. Then you retest back to the key level. Then there's a lot of confluence in the market, so you can take your buy entry and you target this area as your target profit, right? So let me move into the 1-hour time frame, right? So on the 1-hour time frame, it's the same thing, it's the same approach, right? It's the same thing. You can even draw this as your major support, right? So you know that since retail traders, right, those who are trading trading concept, right, they have this as their support, isn't it? They have this as their support. They want to buy support, side of resistance, buy support, side of resistance. So what you're looking for, a breakout around these areas, right? I'll recommend a breakout and retest, because you can see how this coin, they move up sometimes and they fail to hold. When they retest, it just continues going down, right? So we're looking for that break and retest to take our buys, or for that break and retest to take our short entries, right? So we don't take entries around this area because the market is manipulative around this area. Anything can happen. But also you can buy at support at a distance if you want. That is up to you, okay? So that's what we're expecting on Veracity. Okay, any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? You can unmute yourself and ask any questions. Okay, there are no questions.
Hello, Mphathi.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. What is the long-term trade of this coin? If you can have a look, it's a sell or a buy. If I take it for a week, the overlook.
Let's go into the daily time frame. Right. So basically, we're looking for what? We're looking for a buy, isn't it? We're looking for a buy. Maybe we buy around this demand zone, or we buy above the key level, right? So we're looking for a buy because we've been trending down for a while. We've been trending down for a while. But also we know that, okay, guys, anything can happen in the market, right? They can even break your demand zone. They can even break your key level and continue going down, isn't it? So we want to see those rejections, right? That can retest, or if it comes to your demand zone, we want to see those rejections, right? And today I'll be sharing a video on entries, right? On how to take entries, how to take confirmed entries. Okay, so we're looking for that around this area. Does it reject in this area? Then we check our buys. Does it break and hold above the key level to check our buys? If it breaks and hold above this one again, we take our buys, right? So long term, we're looking for what? We're looking for buy entries basically. We want to buy because we believe that around these areas, this coin it should start going up, right? So it has been going down for a while. Then expect it to shoot up again, right? So long term, we're looking for what? We're looking for a buy, but we won't just buy, right? We want to take those confirmed entries around this area. Do we see rejections and stuff? Then we take our buy. Okay, I'm not sure if you are answered. Are you answered?
I'm very well answered. I'm very well answered. But thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Anyone else, guys, with a question or give me another coin that you want us to go through? Another coin. You still have time. Give me another coin. Right.
Let's take ape party ape.
Ape, but we did ape, right? We did ape. Let me check.
Okay.
Let me check. Ape. Where's ape? Ape. Right. Okay. So this is ape, right? You can see we just broke this area. So this is the 3 time frame. We won't be able to see, because ape, it is a coin that has been listed around April. So it's a new coin, by the way. So it is difficult to forecast a new coin in the market using the 3 time frame, right? So, but what I can say is we have this clever around this area.
Okay.
Let's say you were late to take your short entry around this area, right? Using the short-term time frames, right? The lower time frames. So around this area, you want to see how ape responds around this area long term. Then if you can detect this area, then we can take our buys and target the previous swing high as our target profit. But if you break, right, definitely we're coming back to these major support areas around this area, isn't it? So that's on when we can start shooting up from there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go into the 4-hour time frame. I won't delete this because we did it, right? We analyze it. So you can see how we broke the trend line. So as soon as we break a trend line, you can take a short entry. According to the 90% rule, right? This demand zone here, or let me just say support zone area, is used as your target profit from zone to zone, isn't it? Right. So you can see how we broke this trend line, and it came back to the previous swing high, isn't it? So now we want to see if this coin respects this area. So how do you see that? We want to see a strong bullish candlestick to the upside. Then we can take our buy entries, target this previous key level, or even if we break this key level, we have this key level around this area. Okay, if you break it, we have the higher highs around this area, right? But now currently we are trending down, right? We are trending down, so we're looking for that rejection that can give us that bullish sentiment in the market. Then we take our buy entries. Okay. So same thing applies here. So you can see that now we started creating these lower lows, right? Let me zoom it in. Right. So now you can see that this is a downtrend that started creating these lower lows, isn't it? These lower lows. So now we are convinced that, hey guys, this is now a downtrend. So for us to take our buys, we want to break this trend line, to test back to the trend line, then show rejections again. Then we want to take our buy entries, right? So that's what we're looking for. If you're a trend line trader, you'll see what happened here, right? Because you're able to take those short-term entries, right? So you can see how we respected this area, then we continue going down. So you could have taken your entry around that level. I can even extend this, right? So now you want to see how this coin respect these trend lines. If you're a trend line trader, then you can take your buy entries maybe around the support trend line, then target the resistance trend line, right? But long term, we want to see if we break the key level, then we can take our buys for long term. Okay, so I think we're done with ape, because I shared the analysis of ape, isn't it? So any questions?
Yeah, thanks a lot. It's clear. Thanks.
Okay, thank you so much. So thank you. So okay guys, which coin do you want us to analyze again? Do you have another coin that you want us to go through? Anyone else?
Can you go for Algo?
Algo. Algo. Whoa. What just happened on algo? Right, so this is algo, guys. This is algo. This is algo. Okay, so let's go into the daily time frame and see what is going on with this crazy coin. Right, so this is the daily time frame, guys. This is the daily time frame. So looking at this coin, right, you can see that we've been trending down for a while, right? We've been trending down for a while. So the market, it has been in a downtrend, right? It has been in a downtrend. So what I'll do is I'll mark this as my key level, isn't it? I'll mark this zone area as my key level, right? So I want to see how this coin reacts toward this area, right? So I want to see how this coin reacts toward this area. So if I break and hold above, I take my buy entry. But if I retest, if I reject this area and continue going down, then I take a short entry, right? But long term, right, what I'm looking for right now is a buy, right? We've been trending down for a while, right? We've been trending down for a while. If I can show you this swing high here, you can see that this coin is it's basically respecting this swing high around this area, right? And this swing high, it turns out to confluence with our key level around this area, right? Our key level around this area. So it is confluencing with that area. Okay. So what I want to see how this coin responds or react toward my key level. Then I can take my entry based on that. That is what I'm looking for. How is this coin reacting around this key level? Then I take my entry based on that. So if we're taking our long entries, then this area around here will be our target, because we have this is relatively equal highs that indicate that there's liquidity around this area, or there's money around this area, right? So target I'll target this area as my take profit, isn't it? Right. So yes. That is what we're looking for on the daily time frame. Basically, I'm looking for buys, but I want to see those confirmed buys before I just go into the market like crazy. Okay. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame. Right. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So you can see what happened on the 4-hour time frame. We broke the demand zone. We broke this area. So now what we are around this area, right? These swing highs here, right? So we are around these swing highs here. Okay. So if you fail to come back to these key levels around these areas, those key levels here, I won't draw them, but I'll show you those swing lows around these areas, right? So if you fail to come back to these areas, right? So I want this coin to either break this short-term key level, retest back to it, show my rejections, then I take my buy, or break the major key level, show my rejections, then I take a buy, right? So that's what we're looking for in this coin. That's what we're looking for. In terms of entries, we were late, okay? So now I want to see if we retest back to the structure, or we'll continue going up and retest back to this structure, then take our buys based on that, okay? So yes, that's what we're looking for. So let us go into the 1-hour time frame. Right, so this is the 1-hour time frame. So now you can see how this coin just kept going up. It kept going up. Broke this swing low, right? We broke this area here. So we were just going up. So when the market is like this, there's nothing much you can do. Okay, we just want to see what that break and retest there, and we take our entry space on that. Okay, we take our entry space on that, because when it is like this, anything can happen. We are just late in the market, right? We could have taken our entry as soon as we broke this slash around this area, around here, or we take them around here. But right now you can see, once you see these impulsive moves, right? You just be off that trade, right? Go and look for other coins you can trade, because you've already missed this one. And what people do is, when you want to buy here, we just go down, and when you want to when you sell, it shoots up. So it is unpredictable at this stage. Okay, so you want to see that break and retest, or maybe that continuation to the downside. Okay, so that's what you want to see. Okay, so any other questions?
All clear, no questions.
Okay, all clear. Okay, guys. So what I'll do is, I don't know, those who have questions, right? Any question, about trading. What do you want to know about trading? What is your trading challenge? Let us talk about it right now.